A unique place to visit in Qatar, the Dahl Al Misfir sinkhole. Dahl Al Misfir is an ancient natural formation burrowing deep into the ground. At 40 meters deep, Dahl Al Misfir is considered the largest and deepest yet accessible cave in Qatar. It is believed to have been formed 325,000 to 500,000 years ago during the mid-Pleistocene era. Dahl Al Misfir located about 50-minute drive away from central Doha. Since the cave is in the desert, GPS will be required to locate it. Once in the vicinity, look for wire fencing surrounding the site. The drive involves off-road driving from Salwa Road and Rawdat Rashed Road, best done on a 4x4 vehicle. Visitors should dress appropriately and wear suitable footwear for hiking, is recommended as the cave comprises of rocks. Nearby attractions are the Aqua Park Qatar, which is located near the caves, with fun for the entire family, while Khor Al Udaid, the inland sea, and the Singing Sand Dunes offer further adventure at this site where the sea enters deep into the desert. See you in the next video. Bye.